I want to showcase my hair. It's a but I want to showcase my earrings as well. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle with Madhushri. So thank you so much everyone for showering so much love in my previous video. सारे comments मेरे मम्मी ने पढ़े हैं and I just keep my fingers crossed that my mother makes another video with me, but I cannot guarantee to you guys. So if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to share such funny videos, interesting hacks, makeup ideas, closet ideas, etc. So in one channel you are getting the whole package. So what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button and the bell icon beside to it, so that any video updated by me, you will get the notification very soon. So as you guys might have known from today's title, that I'm going to share my pre-birthday haul, whatever I have bought, whatever I have received via gifts. But the thing which you guys should know, that I'm not gonna reveal who has gifted what to me. So without blabbering here much, let's straight away head to our new video. So this dress I have bought from Flipkart. It is from Munjira Fashion. I will stick the picture right over here. So the INR cost of this one is actually 2600. I hope you guys can see over here. And but it was on a sale, so I had bought it for कितने में खरीदी थी? हाँ, 695 rupees. So this is how it looks like. It's a shift dress which has a bell sleeves. Now what is the meaning of a shift dress? A shift dress is somewhat like a rectangular cut. It doesn't have a perfect body fit, but however I wear really nice body fitted clothes. So for that reason, the thing which attracted me the most in this dress was this belt, which can be customized or made into a bow or something like that. So that's why I bought this dress, and this dress is really very colorful, and I just love the colorful printed dresses which many of the actresses have worn, like Sara Ali Khan. So I always wanted to buy this, and I got this one at a very affordable deal. You can check it out. I will give all the links in the description box below, so check karna mat bhulna. So this is the first dress. Next will be, of course, some related jewelries and shoes. Now for this, many of them might prefer wearing sneakers, but I love to wear heels a lot. So I have a block heel set, which is golden shimmery shoes, I can say. It was bought from Catwalk and I had bought it quite a long time back. So I just wanted to save my money a little more, because Durga Puja bhi aa raha hai. Hopefully we will be able to celebrate Durga Puja very nicely. So that's why I didn't buy this time shoes. So if you guys want, then just ask me in the comments below that whether you want to see that link or that shoe or not. But I will be sticking a picture right over here, so that it becomes a reference for you, the girls. Okay, so the next product which I have bought is a cult product, a really very cult product. It is from Artistry by Amway, perfecting loose powder. And oh my god, I just wanted to invest in this product like infinity, maybe, because since I was just 10 years old, maybe my mother used to apply little bit amount of foundation and face powder, and we all know that these compact powders have a lot of side effects. So my mother used to avoid a lot, and to be honest, applying a loose powder is better than compact powder, guys, because loose powder is completely melt up and it melts over your skin like anything. So I will be showing you the packaging of this one. The INR cost of this one is a lot at a higher range. It is for 4159. Now I just said that it's a cult product. So this is how it looks like. It has all the ingredient list, which I love the most, and it is quite safe over your skin also, guys. So let me show you how it looks. So मैंने पहले से खोल लिया था, because I am someone who tries out new things before the actual date comes. I have a very bad habit of that. Comment down below if you guys too have that. So it gives 25 grams of the powder, and the logo looks so fancy, I can say, so luxurious. I just love the logo. I just love the packaging. So this is how it opens up. As usual, just the normal face powders look like. Now if you want to buy something like under budget, you can give a try to the Lakme loose finish powder in the shade I use is rose pink, I guess. But as I said that this is a cult product, so my mother and I we were like dying to buy this product, guys. So this is how it looks. Now I guess you can see that it was a wrapper, so this opening pores had a wrapper over here, and this powder is completely finely milled, guys. So the girls who does like some eye makeup looks like I do, you guys can definitely try this one. And yes, I'm going to show to you guys a new makeup how to do in a very simple way in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that as well. So I will be just showing you how I take out the product. I am just like, I learned this trick from a YouTuber only. I just take a little bit amount of the powder. I'm just taking it for reference. I will be just like taking my fingers because I have just now washed all of my face brushes as well. And I am in the shade light actually because I'm not that very medium toned skin also right now. So this is how it looks. It melts over the skin. Oh my god, just see. It's completely, it is of matte finish, and oh my god, just it doesn't feel weight, it doesn't have so much weight over your skin. So I just completely love this. Very slightly tinted and it is perfect. Like foundation agar sahi shade ka laga liye to it will look very good over your skin. So this is the cult product, and I'm not gonna tell who gave me this because it's a secret. So the next product which I have bought is of course earrings, because I love to wear earrings like anything. But actually, like I wear my earrings a little less at home because my parents doesn't allow me to wear those western kind of earrings very much. So actually, where is my earring box? Yes. So this time I haven't bought it from an Instagram store. I bought it from Amazon India, because in some of the Instagram stores this pair of earrings was sold at a little higher rate than the actual one. So I thought of investing in Amazon this time because I got the same design pair of earrings in Amazon at a very affordable rate, guys. I will be sticking the picture right over here and I will be showing you how it looks in actually. So this one I have bought from Jewels Galaxy, and the packaging is really awesome. And they had let me open it and show to you guys. So खोलने में मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाता है. So this is how it looks like, and the thing which I loved is they have a tag also. Alright, so, and yes, I always sanitize my products that so that, you know, we all know that how the condition is right now, be it where I am staying, be it anywhere else. So sanitization करना तो बनता ही है ना. So this is the pair of earrings which I have bought. Let me show to you guys properly. Like, oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Like, let's see, I'm just bringing it clip back close to him. In Instagram stores, they are selling this set at rate of 300 to 350 rupees, and I felt like no. I just searched on Amazon and I got it for maybe 230 or 200 rupees. And it wasn't on deal of the day also, guys. It was the actual price which it showed. And this is how it looks like. I wish I could have, you know, worn each of them and have shown you. So comment down below which one should I wear on my birthday, and I'm not gonna reveal. If you really want to know when it is, then you can directly check my Instagram. I guess I haven't uploaded, but you guys might be knowing. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and it is very skin safe. And if you guys have some, not some, it's like if you guys are really reluctant to wear any sort of like this false gold or imitation jewelry, we say it in general, then just put some powder over the hook design, over the hook or the calamine lotion, and just wear it over. And still, if it itches or some rashes come out, please discontinue to wear them. And whatever earrings I am suggesting to you in all of my videos are completely skin safe and affordable also, so you guys can definitely check it out. And I will link the products from where I have bought in the description box below. Check karna, bilkul bhi mat bhulna. So the next product is something which is very different, which is very aesthetic, I can say. So this is the product. It is a bracelet set. It is also from Amazon India. Some of the Instagram stores are selling one of the bangles at some 150 rupees, but I received this set for only 200 rupees, guys. It consists of 2 chain bracelets and 2 bangle sets. So let me show you. Actually, these are to be worn, like for example, I am wearing a watch. 2 of the bracelets will be here and another 2 will be here, so that it becomes like a full, how to say, bangle, a very big clutch. It looks aesthetic also. It looks very gorgeous. So I thought of investing in one of them because I always buy earrings much, but this time also I bought, as you guys saw. But I thought that let's give it a try. So this is how it looks like. This is the golden pair. I know I should have bought the silver one, but I don't know why I felt like buying the golden one. मेरे को मन में कुछ भी आता है मैं खरीद लेती हूँ. I just don't think much. I just think that I can adjust it somewhere or the other. So this is how it looks like. Let me bring it closer to you guys. The shine is just marvelous. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so cute. Another is this one. This is how it looks like. And the last but not the least, it really looks like some, you know, golden chain or something, but this is how it looks. So this I bought it for 208 rupees only, and actually ये मैंने एक यूट्यूबर का ही वीडियो से मैंने देखा था, and I just loved it. Immediately मैंने ऑर्डर कर लिया था, and I bought it also. And I'm not at all guilty for that. पर आपको guilty होना चाहिए, हाँ, मेरी तरफ बेशर्म बनने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So this is it. Another is I forgot to mention in the dress is that they gave a free mask also. पर ये 3 layer नहीं है guys, it is just for show. So remember to wear an N95 mask under this, and you can wear this off if you really want to do some photo shoot or something like that. So for me it is not yet fixed whether I'm going to have a proper photo shoot or not, because in my place the rainfall and everything is really very bad. मैं कोलकाता में, आप सभी को पता है, तोते आया था, यश आया था, यश आया था, यस साइक्लोन आया था. सो इट बहुत गंदा तरीके से हार्म तो किया है. सो जितना हो सके आप लोग भी हेल्प करिएगा, वट एवर बी इट. सो दैट्स वाई आई जस्ट डोंट नो हाउ will it be, but definitely I will click some of the photos, fingers crossed, inside my home only. इसलिए घर पे ही रहो, घर पे ही मजे करो. So the another product is, as you guys very well know, that I have completely dry chapped lips. All right, so I really needed a nice lip balm. So I had suggested you one lip balm, if you remember, is the Sugar Cosmetics this one, Lips Don't Lie, I guess, that lip balm. I will be sticking the picture right over here once again, so that you guys can get to know to which lip balm I'm referring to. But this time again I thought of like investing in something which is very authentic, which is organic also, and the containers and everything are recycled. So this is from Queen's Closet. I'll stick the picture right over here once again, so that I can show you how cute the packaging was. So मैं सैनिटाइज करती हूँ तो ऑफकोर्स मैं पैकेजिंग रखती नहीं हूँ, एंड आई फॉर द पेपर्स एंड एवरीथिंग आई कीप देम इनसाइड माई सेपरेट फाइल. मैं सबका, मैं जितने भी स्मॉल स्टोर से खरीदी हुई चीज़ें, उनका सारे लेटर्स, उनका सारा टैग्स, सब कुछ मैं रखती हूँ संभाल, बिकॉज आई जस्ट लव दैट. आई जस्ट लव स्मॉल बिजनेस कंपनी ओनर्स रियली. सो दिस इज हाउ इट्स अ लिप ग्लॉस, बिकॉज करेंटली अभी ट्रेंड हो चुका है कि लिप ग्लॉस बहुत अच्छे से लगाते हैं. एंड दिस इज द लिप बाम, इट्स अ स्ट्रॉबेरी वन. लेट मी शो यू द लिप बाम फर्स्ट. सो मैंने थोड़ा सा स्वॉच लिया था. लेट मी डू इट वंस अगेन, बिकॉज मेरा जो एमटीज वीडियो भी आ रहा है वेरी सुन, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी माइल्ड tinted lip balm, and it claims to keep my lips moisturized for a long time. Let's see. And this is the lip gloss, because I have thought of to start again applying lip gloss, because अभी current season में वही चल रहा है. The gloss is really bad. मैंने इसका वेयरेबिलिटी टेस्ट भी देख लिया. इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली स्किन सेफ ऑल्सो, बट स्टिल आई कैनॉट गारंटी दैट ऑल द मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स शोन ओवर हियर विल सूट यू डेफिनेटली. सो स्वॉच टेस्ट कर लेना हमेशा की तरह. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी स्लाइटली tinted. लेट मी अप्लाई अ लिटिल. ओके, I don't have a brush right now, because as I said that I have kept them for washing. So oh, this is so satisfying, man. This is so satisfying, guys. Just see, लुक को ही अपलिफ्ट कर दिया है पूरा अच्छे तरीके से. सो यू गाइज कैन डेफिनेटली चेक द क्वींस क्लोजेट. इंस्टाग्राम लिंक विल बी गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो फॉर सम अफोर्डेबल डील्स. ये मैंने 150 रुपीज़ में खरीदा था, एंड दिस वन आई गेस फॉर 225 रुपीज़, बिकॉज ये थोड़ा टिंटेड है एंड इट इज़ वेरी मॉइस्चराइजिंग ओवर योर लिप्स, एंड आई लव्ड इट. इसका भी रिव्यू आएगा एटलीस्ट मैं 15 दिन यूज़ करने के बाद. अभी मैं यूज़ नहीं करी हूँ, बिकॉज मेरा पुराना वाला एक एमटीज़ का वीडियो आ रहा है, तो मुझे बहुत सारे एमटीज़ मिल चुके हैं. वो एक एमटी करने के बाद मैं एमटीज़ का वीडियो डेफिनेटली ला रही हूँ. सो द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट इज़ एक्चुअली अ गिफ्ट, एंड आई एम नॉट गोना मेंशन द नेम, सॉरी. सो दिस इज़ अ पैक full of scrunchies. Let me show you guys, and it has a lot variety of prints, and this is how it looks. Oh, and it was a surprise gift, and I was completely surprised. This is my favorite scrunchie. Let me tell this first, because it has a holographic print. This is also another, because it has a polka dot print. Velvets किसको पसंद नहीं आते हैं. Oh, this is सबसे प्यारा है. मम्मी और मेरा, मम्मी को ये ज़्यादा पसंद है एक्चुअली. दिस इज अ प्रिंटेड वन. दिस इज नियॉन ऑरेंज, एंड आई मीन इट. मेरा कैमरा में फिर से ये हल्का दिख रहा है, मेरा ड्रेस का कलर कुछ और दिख रहा है, मेरे इयरिंग का कलर कुछ और दिख रहा है. आई डोंट. एंड दिस इज अ डुअट वन. इट इज़ वेरी लार्ज, एंड जस्ट लुक एट दैट. जस्ट इट हाउ, मेरा बैंगल को थोड़ा इग्नोर कीजिए. जस्ट हाउ इट एनहांसेस, लाइक इफ यू लाइक डू लाइक दिस ऑल्सो क्लिक अ पिक्चर, इट विल लुक सो गुड ओवर यू. ना. So then is this blue. This is कैमरा में ये ग्रे क्यों देख रहे पता नहीं, बट दिस इज वेरी IIC blue kind of. Let me show you how the packaging looks like. So then comes a different kind of rubber bands, which I think that every girls can wear, be it very thin hair or very thick hair, medium hair thickness like mine. So these are some skinny scrunchies. So ये lavender, ये वाला बहुत प्यारा है, ये येलो भी मैंने लिया, ये ग्रीन भी मैंने लिया, and this teal color, I just love it. पैकेजिंग भी इतना अच्छा सुंदर से था, एंड मतलब इतने प्यार से जिसने भी मेरे को दिया था, आई जस्ट लाइक थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिफ्टिंग दिस. एंड ये आप लोग सोचो मैंने कहाँ से इसने ऑर्डर किया है, तो ये दिया है फ्रॉम scrunchies_by DC. यू कैन चेक द प्रोफाइल आउट. मैं यहाँ पर प्रोफाइल का पिक्चर मैं फिर से चिपका दूंगी. यू गाइस कैन डेफिनेटली चेक इट आउट. हैव ऑसम गिफ्टिंग कलेक्शन, हैव ऑसम ऑफर्स गोइंग ऑन, रीजनेबल रेट. बहुत सारे स्टोर्स में दे आर सेलिंग इट फॉर 30-40 रुपीज़, बट ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, दे आर नॉट ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी. इसका सैटिन का क्वालिटी सही में अच्छा लगा, इसलिए मैं इसको अभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खरीदे. इस बार ये वाला तो मैंने खरीदा ही नहीं. दिस वॉज गिफ्टेड बाय मी. This was gifted to me by someone, so I just don't know, and I just don't want to even reveal that who gifted me this, because I just want to. Yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, then subscribe करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. Give a big fat thumbs up to my video, and do tell me in the comment section below what are the things which you are going to buy after seeing this video, because यहाँ पर मैं सबसे ज़्यादा मैं यही ट्राई करती हूँ कि अफोर्डेबल चीज़ें मिले एंड गुड क्वालिटी की चीज़ें मिले. अप टू सम एक्सटेंट, लाइक दिस टाइम फॉर मे बी फर्स्ट टाइम और मे बी द सेकेंड थर्ड टाइम दैट आई एम शोइंग सम कल प्रोडक्ट जो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हाई एंड में. बट in this video, if you have watched it completely, I gave you another option which is very affordable also. You can check it out from there. So stay safe, stay indoors, help your loved ones in their work respectively. Depressed mat hona. We are going to overcome this situation really very soon. And yes, get yourself vaccinated very, very, very soon, guys. Till then, take good care of yourselves. And yes, wait for another video. It will be coming really soon, and this video will help you a lot. I promise you that.